lucky. See the video here. I'm glad I go up and me see me record me CCTV them when I'm a house. When me can go back and record conversation, take off conversation, we talk all 1 month of blood clot. Go. For sure the people them much time me a cuss you, much time me the pan phone and talk about my blood clot picnic. Me call all Andrew Fresh. Me a try call Buju no answer to me. Fi reach out to everybody. Me see Michibu when me a tell everybody how you have my blood clot picnic in a dance. Fi then kill off me one little baby boy. When your blood clot set me picnic fi hate me to blood clot. When me picnic talk every day say hate me. When me do me picnic for me picnic hate me. All me a do a try take me picnic from danger out the road. When me do, me a nurse me baby from him born. Them no know how hungry feel, cause the mama ya where them have. Me 4 picnic them no know how hungry blood clot feel. Cause me dead for my picnic. And me talk to you. And you say yes, yeah, whatever, you still have my picnic in a dance Saturday night for people kill my blood clot picnic. Boy, me say me you want kill. Me say me you want kill, you come off of me in a hall blood clot where you see me untouchable lucky. All where you come off of me. And me untouchable. And me just a go through. But your blood clot stick me in my eyeball when you go off of me own blood clot flesh, which is your flesh too. Right? You turn my picnic against me. You make social service and my picnic enough to come on my yard. Yeah? What me do to my picnic first, my picnic can't come on my yard. My picnic have him own comfortable room. And when I buy all a game with it, I never know it's a game there soft. How much money me spend buy game for my picnic? Remember lucky you know buy not even a piggy baby, you know. You forgot? Say it's a waste sperms blood clot donor. You know buy not even nappy no and then you get picnic too look or something. You see me? Every day me ask my kids them where them eat. You know them something they go? You take my picnic. And you have my picnic in a balaclava and a dance. And I'm going to show you your wicked no blood clot. You walk with my name. How me breach. You tell the people them why you breach now. Why you not tell the blood clot people them say you first go report me? Me go all pa me tape. Me go all pa me video them when I'm a house go take off the conversation there. When you explain to me the reason why you go to your social service, you go to your probation, go report me blood clot name. Because through me I threaten you. Me threaten you, me never did do nothing to you. But you, through you have your plan for take over my son. You bring him to a lifestyle where that him want. So in mama too strict. She want book and me want pussy and drugs. You now with me. I go show you say you can't have him a blood clot all. No with that mama, yeah. Cause you know do picnic. You know much careless blood clot one night stand where you breathe and have a road. All the same one of me ear say boy licking and face now your blood clot dance. I want if him mama him member say me used to send little clothes come give them. I want if Camilla remember that. I want if Camilla member say me used to send little blood clot clothes come give Mary. When him lick a bit. Mary borrow my money for buy car and you and father that should pay money in a dance so you couldn't buy him one blood clot car. Yeah? But him as a bigger brother have me picnic in a blood clot dance side him I run come over with blood clot knife. Me say me don't want that situation a Jamaica would want that situation. They do him heart to grieve me and I think some wicked blood clot thinking in my heart. Who is a pussy. My one blood clot boy pick on my beg Jehovah God forgive me. You take my one boy and turn me blood clot pick against me lucky. Right? I met people that put my name or me careless. Careless girl, how she fi send her pick me. And the dirty people them don't even know. Them don't even blood clot know. So you team up with my picnic. When me go to your probation tell me say you call and she tell you if you go report me to social service and everybody. Me I say, how come me get in such a social service and them can't come to me? Them time them never know say you first me. If you go tell the little boy, if you tell the people them one heap of tala about me. If me even give my son 2 slap, what kind of in danger I'm in danger? You see him once a JJ used to beat you. JJ kill you? JJ the killer. My mother used to beat me and I love her up till today, dear. You have your plans, because you want my son to be a runner. But remember, me tell you, I am going to be an informer upon a blood clot. It not going to work. You can't have my son a run for you. And that me I make you know, pussy. You cannot. It not going to work back to you all. I mean, I going to send around that blood clot video for show the public. Oh, you hide. I have my picnic till me catch you jump through blood clot window. Right? Me catch you jump through window with my blood clot picnic when me come hunt your blood clot yard like detective. Pussy, you don't want me to be your enemy. Yeah, but you know run, but you run with people side of it, with boy side of it. You know, to say you turn careless, man. You have a new law in America now, we know about them type of something there, you know, where them fuck up people all rapper them, you know. And why if you know that?
Me know me seek
okay, and you have these chink around you with these type of things. What kind of man you say you is? What kind of example? If me just hear this before, my son couldn't come around you.
Buckas, no.
But I never send my son come side of you. Yes, me I tell you, say me wanna send me pick me lucky. I like the people, the girl I tell with all the proof of me pick the side of behind in a dance. Everybody when me show my son them shock. Because me I send him picture I show everybody now. Nobody can believe says my son that. You bring me picnic now on lifestyle and me want your help. Me I beg you help me with my son from this lifestyle and it you bring him down and I down the same one go. So that's why I'm turned for me and hate me. Because the lifestyle with me, you see say little boy road. I mean, I say Buckas. I mean, I say, I trust you as a baby father. I say, yes, me believe in you and whatever. And this other outcome you give me.
Listen and tell me this right here.
Yeah, let me hear.
Be honest by your heart, because you're Jehovah.
Yeah.
When I said, remember the day when I tell you, go over with your mother, right?
Go over with my mother, where you talk?
I remember the day when I make him go in the car.
Oh, the day when I find your yard, when I answer to let for reach, I go all your probation. That day there, yes, remember good.
Yeah. All right.
Look, let me tell you this. Me sister never want to come with me. Let me tell you why I don't want to come with me.
Ask one question.
Yeah.
When I said to your mom, do you to come over with you, right?
Yes, him to come over with me. Yes.
All right then.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, listen to me. I said to you Sunday. And then you call me and saying God for 4 hours. You remember, yeah?
Yes, remember everything. When you talk truth, me gotta admit it. Yes. So tell you the reason why all of that happened.
So hold on.
Yeah.
Sunday. Remember me even tell you something. Me never know when they can be telling.
No, look, remember me tell you when they you tell me send them one of your people them house, which me call them cats.
Yeah. No,
when me pick them I do one of them people house. Remember when me tell you the pan, him they run one of my people them. Why you expect my pick them associate with all your people them? I'm a warn you before me pick you come amongst you. Yeah. Why me pick you the run your cat or your junkie them house? You leg on me pick to your lifestyle where me I run from.
Sandy, listen, is that no junkie? Listen to me, Sandy. Me I reason with you.
And him still around here junkie, lucky.
It's not no junkie, just listen to me.
Okay. Remember you say one of your people them there. Forgot to tell me say.
Yeah, but it's Buckas is a cab man, but him do him little thing. Me I be honest with you. Remember me even say.
Yeah, but lucky whether I'm a cab or a junkie, me never want me pick to know them type of people, eh?
The man
no, but me pick enough for the run of them type of people, eh? Cause every day you know I'm hurting in my heart about you. Every time I pick there where you're there, me check up on my pick you keep a lie to me. You keep lucky, make sure I take care of you, man. You know, say him calm and him cool and tell you bring my son down a route where me no want, I want help with. I'm going to come to you for help and this are the results where you give me with me youth. I can't sleep. For think about this so you bring me through my picnic. It's unthinkable. You're 48 years old. Your sister, yes, little boy, whatever. You're so 48, me know your birthday. Yeah, 47. Yeah, 47. Yeah, 47. Me just remember. Me 3 years older than you. Lucky, you bring me picking down a route where pain my heart when me have sleepless nights.
Yeah, but when I said to you, Sunday, sometimes it's not the way you go and listen to people.
No, and I listen to people, Lucky. Remember, I have all the proof that the girl proved to me. My son is. If it wasn't that girl, I would not know my son was going to party. Right? Me send him over there and me tell him if I take him book. All the time, yeah, man, I take him book. I notice the little boy from him come amongst you interested in a book again. But the reason why I'm interested in a book is because when you bring him in a yes, say nice, him young, this is you. Let my son go fuck pussy. But lucky you bring him go to doctor. Let me ask you something. Do you bring him go to doctor? Let me ask you something. You bring my picnic go to doctor? You bring him go a doctor and make one of the woman them follow him go a doctor?
Sandy, listen.
They ask you something important. No, but why? You know, Sir Jalen have disease. Did you know that?
Him not have the disease.
Oh, so why am I book appointment for my niece? Look, him. Me never tell you same cam in body come and show me. Me never tell you that. And it have bumper on his body. I know when man sick. Him not gonna show you. He have bumper on his body when him show me the night. Right? I'm a Sunday the 3 I go 4 weeks with something in him body. And you as a father will say you protect him. It a deteriorate him body. And you know send one of your girl because you have chink all over. You know send one of your chink them go blood clot carry him go a doctor. Him go on my niece house and beg my niece to make appointment for him to go to doctor. And you have how much woman? Naisha can't bring him. Your brown woman where you live with can't bring him. Nobody can bring him. You know, sister, when you take me pitney and done my blood clot pitney. And everybody you please for tell, oh, the boy same HR. Lucky. My pitney hate me now, but him gonna love me blood clot later. Remember me tell you that. Because through him vulnerable, him don't understand. So I tell himself that the life when one when father allow him for the things. Yes, this is it. I mean too strict. So you allow and I tell people my pitney eat me. Who my pitney couldn't have blood clot eat me if me even give him 2 bucks up or even give him a slap. Me look out for my blood clot pitney lucky. You not do for my son what me do for my son. You not spend money for me pitney what me spend for me blood clot pitney.
We're not talking about spend, man.
Yes, because you don't do it. So how comes my pitney for eat me? Every blood what you do? Now and then. No one then a chip in. Me look out for my people, them and me look out for family.
Sandy, listen up.
But no, boy, you do it. What the fuck you do? Bootsy, I go university. What you do? What you do for Bootsy? More than one woman have 10,000 pound fee on my bar up her blood clot and take it to and take 6,000 out there. I don't. No, you mean me not having them Bootsy in your picnic?
Bootsy a big woman now.
Yeah, Bootsy a big woman now. You know the whole of my picnic, my big woman, and I still mind them. Okay, for sure, you all me different from you. Yeah. You know the best thing you do, get in touch with the social service and hand him over to the social service. Yes, cause me not like coming in one suit and him a knock down my blood clot family door 1 o'clock at night time and you, the way all your liar come tell me say nothing no go so. They were the blood clot my family I tell lifer. And you make my family them know where I go on because them I say, oh, jail and over road so late. Yeah. Yes, that's what me I thought the conversation there. I'm glad I go up and see blood clot see TV and get off the conversation there when me I tell you about you have my picnic a dance. I have my picnic a dance with stick and blood clot them something they call me. I make the social service where you are try to turn my picnic against me. For make the social service them to send back my picnic a dance. I'm glad I may advise that. I'm glad I may advise that. And I look, one heap of things may talk upon that. I'm glad me have 5 CCTV in my blood clot house. So me glad. As proof, me go back to my CCTV and go take off them conversation, yeah. And me I go dig down from when jail and blood clot run with to see how much time me I preach here about my picnic. And how much time me I talk to you my picnic about book. And when me I talk to you about the blood clot 25-year-old girl. Where you indulge my son for a fuck. And make up with my son for tell the girl say, look, me not call her girl, cause decent little girl. Right? Make up with my son and tell the girl that he is 22-year-old and you and Naisha, that wicked bitch, when me did have her boxer in a blood clot prison, when me, Sunday make she come out and live her same house, because she owe so much blood clot arrears and she there with top man. That's me have to visit your prison. So if you woman wants so much blood clot arrears, and me have to take money out of your money pay that little blood clot some shit hole. Where have my son I send my son downstairs to go beat up junkie for junkie stab me picnic kill me blood clot picnic but more than go to prison because I eye from my eye to them blood clot. Me. Yeah? So I'm glad me get that so me just send you look a while. The record when you there on Sunday, and I'm glad I may advise that. I'm glad me have my 5 blood clot camera in my house. When me can go back, panic back, and go get back things. For sure, the blood clot people them all along me I preach you about my picnic. Till you hide my picnic, have my picnic far. Until me have to find your blood clot yard and you jump through window. Cause you want blood clot to recruit my son. You see, that life that my son wants, you know. You see, you know, lucky you wicked no blood clot, your days are gonna come bad. Youth, you know, see, all you try. I talk to you, I preach to you, I preach to Andrew Fresh, I preach to Michibu. Everybody try, I preach to Dwayne in a prison. Everybody try talk to you. You still do the one thing I do it for it hurt me. See the conversation, the last conversation, when Andrew talked to you, you call me in the morning, and me you talk. And you see it, you still bring my picnic in your dance Saturday night. Oh, I'm reaching a one dance with a big knife, with a dance have so many security. That means you have to be the father, as the dance promoter, to walk through that security without getting searched. How my son have a big knife like that? Cause all them dancers get searched. Cause the knife from me ear, I'm having the blood clot dance, you know, me say it bigger than him, you know. You understand? Oh, my son reaching a dance with that. That means that you let him go in with you. And go in with you with the knife. And bring it in with liquor. You see where you tolerate for me them kill me picnic? I remember lucky, you know. You have much picnic where you don't care about, you know. You have much picnic where you don't care about. And you know some picnic sick and vulnerable and him you go off. You know see me you want kill lucky. You know see me you want blood clot kill off. Because all me talk to you still bring my picnic in our dance. You not even say you have him same way then. And you're not gonna make him come at the dance. Remember him in your bar at the dance, you know. You have to give him permission to be behind your counter. That means say me, you try to kill off. And true, you tell yourself, say you go to social service and you have that part the lock already. But you don't have it lock. Me have too much proof to go to the social service. You know, so lucky way you try to do to me. You try sink me and you force go report me blood clot. You know, sister Karma take it as police I look for your blood clot for breach you for send you back to prison. You know, if I me have 1 year for go back to prison, I just go do that out like a soldier. But you are run like a pussy. Because the last time you go to prison, you can't even do prison blood clot sentence. You hear grew up like what that's if always a blood clot die the grey hair. A too strong me having on my head. Probably me soon get couple now because the stress where you put me through with my blood clot picnic. You know, sister Karma reach your blood clot. You don't think they're gonna lock off your dance and it don't lock off. And who make your dance mash up? You too innocent picnic them where you never used to buy feeding for. And them you having a dance with them and Pac-Man boy. Look who you're picking them catch up with a dance. Tap-Nam boys. Tap-Nam boys, them a boy for play with. You know, say I kill you one, them kill blood clot, big fat thinking Camilla picnic. And kill my blood clot one picnic too. You know, say that's your blood clot want. Eh? Come here, so them go for blind Mary blood clot. Right? You know, say that's your blood clot one youth. You know, say that's your one everybody talk about me careless. After you plan up with my son for tell social service pay things, that's the people them say him have to come back on my blood clot house. Everybody I say, oh, Sandy picnic in a dance, I should not go for him. People, I cannot go for my blood clot picnic. Why me can't go for my picnic? Because social service say him not to come on my house. So me can't step in a dance and go for my picnic. Yes, of course me can't step in a one dance and go for him. But it not necessary. It is not blood clot necessary for me step in a one dance and go for my child because when me I go bring him. The authority say him not to blood clot come here. Because social service them come like authority too. Them can't check your, them can't stay them yard and check your name, this say that, because them come like police to blood clot and them man a police. So why me I go do? Me I go against what them say. Me I go get in a trouble if me come for my picnic. And my picnic can't come in my house again because my picnic is a broken boy. Because you lead him to a lifestyle where you say, yes man, this is the way. You done no blood clot. For your teach your little boy, say, my youth, me the day of prison, I pay a young one like you in there. Hey youth, me can't understand what kind of father you is. What kind of father your blood clot is. Buja and the whole of them they run my blood clot picnic in a dance and none of them don't know I'm picnic that. Because you buy him balakaba, I'm a search the balakaba in my house, you know. I'm saying the something when father buy him. I'm say what the fuck you do with them type of something over your face. You buy him. Just you want him in a dance behind him. My son can't take one good kick. He can't even blood clot manage me much less. He can't even manage Jador. So you are set up my picnic for dead. You wicked dirty blood clot. Catch you the boy them beat up your blood clot with the eye. Then and go for kick out your eye. And go for kick out your blood clot eye and lick you for your scooter and knock out your blood clot. So you think so when you get your little blood clot, kids them run, you know, the whole of them forever. You know, see you set up your picnic them for dead. And that's you want. Cause the boy at prison. Where you think me no blood clot? No, where you him kick off in a blood clot prison. Well, lick your blood clot off a scooter and go for blind your blood clot and take away your man clear jacket. And you 800 pounds out of your blood clot bag. You have to send. Me forgot the boy name. Me forgot the boy name where you have to quash it down for your blood clot. So you want to recruit. You look at son them for put them in a danger. You wicked dirty blood clot. You wicked dirty corruption disease blood clot. You wicked lucky. You have me picnic in a dance. Same way. 2 days take me for a search. My camera footage for hear the conversation. When I preach to you about my blood clot picnic. And me just find the record when I want for blood clot here. Cause now my house have 5 blood clot camera when put in here from jail and come from Jamaica. 5. And me never stop search. When me talk to Andrew Fresh where there, and you talk to me in the morning and you explain to me about my picnic. And you send him home. And oh, me I preach to you. I'm glad me find the blood clot footage here. And the record there so me can get it off. So me can send it to your blood clot. The conversation with me that whole with you about my picnic. You still bring my picnic in a dance. I make my people come walk with me near my road. So my blood clot kills come here, my picnic in a dance after the people them don't know where the full blood clot story of this. After your blood clot make up with my picnic. For tell social service, pay things about me, make my picnic there. Make the social service them say them now set my picnic enough for come back on my yard. But remember, me tell you, Lucky, you don't win. You know blood clot win. A Lucky things that me have the proof. And me I go show it to the social service them. Or you have my blood clot picnic. And me find you jump through window with my blood clot picnic where me over Chigwell. With my blood clot picnic. Where you take over my picnic for do your dirty works. And have my picnic in a dance. Saturday night a fight. After all, me I reach out to you with my blood clot picnic. To social service said the picnic enough to come back on my yard. Because the amount of allegation you make the little boy make up and talk about me. And talk about my blood clot, wicked dirty man. Me have the blood clot record when me get off of my video in my house. Or me I preach to you about my picnic.